Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Feel free to follow me on any of my social medias. And today this video is going to be very self-explanatory. So what you're going to need is a bowl, hair dye, hot water, spoon, towel, and gloves. Here I'm just showing you guys that my water is heated up. This is the unit that I made from Bigobundlez with their 613 here. I love this unit I made. Yeah, this unit is pretty dope. So the hair dye I'm going to be using is Royal Navy. I used 3 bottles. However, I only showed me putting in 2. But I used 3. And then you just want to stir that up to make sure that the hair dye isn't clumpy and that it dispersed throughout the water evenly. And I'm going to go ahead and add the next bottle. And I'm going to stir that up as well. So before I put my whole wig inside of this, I'm just going to test a little strand. Alright, let's see how this bad boy come out. Damn, bitch. Oh, I gotta close my mouth for somebody to put something in it. This don't make no sense. But sweet baby Jesus, that color look phenomenal. So now, fuck it, YOLO. I'm about to just dump my whole wig in the hair dye. Let's pray. Ooh, that looks so pretty. So here, I didn't really know how to hold the unit. I didn't know if I wanted to pretty much I was just scared of just dumping my whole unit into the blue dye and ruining the lace. So you just see me being really hesitant right here. So right here, I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna just throw the whole wig in there. YOLO. Jesus, help me. I look crazy. I look like somebody smoked out on. I look like Pookie. Sweet baby Jesus, I hope this come out right because I ain't got enough money to buy no more hair. Magnificent. Oh my God, bitches. Look at this color, bitches. Bitches, let's get into it. Oh my God. Probably with the bucket, winter time grind. Gotta get me something, can't leave with nothing. With the gang when I light piff. But I'm dolo when I write shit. Pull my chain out, it's a light switch. I don't fuck with niggas like a dyke bitch. I'm on the road to riches, swerving ditches, curving bitches, rolling swishes, hit your misses, then she dismiss. Balls can gift wrap like it's Christmas. But now I'm just making sure I didn't miss any spots and that there's no blonde hairs anywhere in this unit because it definitely will show being that this color is blue. Really, I feel like it's my time. Why is your bitch hitting my line? Putting them hearts on my timeline. Kill it 9 times, but the money calling, I'm just getting to it. Roll it sour, I'm just getting zooted. Watching niggas and they sneaky movements. Everybody faking, that's some true shit. Skinny nigga, but my bitch is too thick. Flip an ounce and then I'm getting 2 zips. Call my niggas up, let's smoke like 2 zips. Call your bitch up, she gon' suck like 2 dicks. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. All my niggas really getting to it. So now I'm just gonna take a comb and just comb it through. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. Hit the crib and then I'm really zooted. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. Coming soon, I'm gonna be the movement like gang. Now I'm about to take one of my mother's expensive Calvin Klein towels and do the unthinkable. But YOLO, if Gina knew I had her towel, this would be the last tutorial y'all ever see from a bitch because my mother will bend me up or all types of shopping carts, some little tables that be at portable cookouts, clean clothes. I'll be bent the fuck up. I love the natural curl pattern.
Money calling, I'm just getting to it. Rolling sour, I'm just getting zooted. Watching niggas and they sneaky movements. Everybody faking, that's some true shit. Skinny nigga, but my bitch is too thick. Flip an ounce and then I'm getting 2 zips.
Tell me that color does not look phenomenal. And this only took 5 minutes for this beautiful color.
My niggas ruthless and these bitches nuisance. We ain't talking money, fuck it 2 cents. Chasing money, I'm just.
So now I'm about to towel dry this blue hair in Gina's expensive ass white towel. See, listen, if she were to see that, you see those prints in the back? Fingers crossed, let's see how this comes out.
I don't fuck with niggas like a dyke bitch. I'm on a road to riches, swerving ditches, curving bitches.
Oh yes, I'm in love. I'm in love, love, love.
Like it's Christmas, but really I want me a million shit. Change where I live and shit. Get my family a new crib and shit. Cash out new whips in the dealership. That just how real it gets.
I look so excited. Oh my god, I am so ashy. Jesus, I look chopped, but it don't even matter though, because when I get fleeky, I get fleeky.
But the money calling, I'm just getting to it. Rolling sour, I'm just getting zooted. Watching niggas and they sneaky movements. Everybody faking, that's some true shit. Skinny nigga, but my bitch is too thick. Flip an ounce and then I'm getting 2 zips. Call my niggas up, let's smoke like 2 zips. Call your bitch up, she gon' suck like 2 dicks. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. All my niggas really getting to it. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. On my mama, I'm a cop of 2 cribs. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. Hit the crib and then I'm getting zooted. Money calling, I'm just getting to it. Coming soon, I'm gonna be the movement like gang.
Hey ladies, hey ladies, hey ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed that that awesome new trend that everybody is doing with dyeing their hair with hot water and just some hair dye instead of doing like the tedious way, strand by strand, which takes hours and it's a complete mess. This is the end result. Of the hair, of the color, and it looks beautiful. I'm in love. I'm so much in love. I had so much fun dyeing this hair. I was a little apprehensive as far as like the frontal part. What I feel like I want to do over time, I'm gonna like dye the roots like a midnight blue, because I don't know, like I like the blue straight from the roots, but I need darker roots. I just need darker roots. Overall, I love this hair. I love this hair. Flat ironing it was a breeze. It was awesome. I'm gonna upload videos and clips of the hair and stuff like that.
A dyke bitch, I'm on a road to riches, swerving ditches, curving bitches, rolling swishes, hit your misses, then she dismiss. Balls can gift wrap like it's Christmas, but really I want me a million shit. Change where I live and shit. Get my family a new crib and shit. Cash out new whips in the dealership. That just how real it gets.
Stuff like that. But like bitches look, this shit is mad pretty.
Timeline, kill it 9 times, but the money calling, I'm just getting to it. Rolling sour, I'm just getting zooted. Watching niggas and they sneaky movements. Everybody faking, that's some true shit. Skinny nigga.
Hair is awesome. Like I love this blue on me. I'm just loving everything right now. Like nothing can touch me. I don't want to say nothing can touch me. I don't want to sound like arrogant, but I'm feeling nice. Like I got
positive vibes around me, you know, positive things going for the new year, new color, new bitch, new things, new stepping stones, new goals, you know, and then this blue is making me feel it all, baby, making me feel it all.
But this is the end result. I haven't curled this hair yet. Whew, I can only imagine curling this hair. Oh my god. But if you guys see me in the same outfit twice, it's because I recorded these endings already. I'm at work right now. So I figured I just multitask. Let me just record this while I'm on my break real quick, you know? Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you guys enjoyed this video, comment in the description box if you want me to try a different color that matches my complexion. That matches my complexion. Don't have me out here like, yeah, bitch, do firecracker red. I'm not about to be out here looking like a Zion battery. It's not happening, Captain. But yeah, if you have any suggestions, any questions, anything, just comment below. Bye, guys.